Welcome to today's tutorial. If you're looking to take control of your privacy and turn off Google Chrome's auto sign-in feature, you're in the right place. Auto sign-in can be convenient, but it might not be ideal if you share your computer or prefer to manually sign in to your accounts. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to disable these features. Let's get started. Open Chrome and click the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. From the drop-down, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page. On the left-hand side, click on You and Google. This is where you will find all the settings related to your Google account. Under You and Google, look for the option labeled Sync and Google Services. Here you will see a toggle for auto sign-in by default. This is turned on to make signing to Google services seamless. To disable it, simply click the toggle to turn it off. A confirmation dialog may appear. Click Turn Off to proceed. Once you have turned it off, auto sign in, Chrome will no longer automatically sign you into your Google account when you open the browser. You will now need to manually sign in each time, which can be a great way to maintain privacy, especially on shared devices. Here is a pro tip: if you want to further customize your privacy settings, explore the privacy and security section in Chrome settings. You can adjust options like cookies, site permissions, and more to tailor your browsing experience. Let's test it out. Close Chrome and reopen it. If you have successfully turned off auto sign in, you will be prompted to manually sign in to your Google account. This simple step can make a big difference in protecting your privacy and controlling your account access. And that's it. You have successfully turned off Google Chrome's auto sign in feature. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.